Hello everyone, you're welcome to prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 8 to the power x plus 8 to the power x plus 8 to the power x. This is equal to 80, so this is the value of x. Now you find that 8 to the power x, this is common here. So let's factor out 8 to the power x, so that we'll have 8 to the power x into the bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 80. Now here we have 8 to the power x multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3. And this is equal to 80. Now let's divide both sides by 3. So that now we'll have 8 to the power x. This is equal to 80 divided by 3. To solve for the value of x here, let's introduce the natural logarithm on both sides so that you'll have log 8 to the power x. This is equal to log 80 divided by 3. The next step here, log 8 to the power x, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this power rule property, it follows that log 8 to the power x, this can be expressed as x log 8. This is equal to log 80 divided by 3. The next step here, let's divide both sides by log 8 by log 8. Now in this case, log 8 and log 8 here simplifies so that x is equal to log 80 divided by 3 divided by log 8. Now you find that log 80 divided by 3, this is in the form of log a divided by b, which you can express as log a subtract log b. Now applying this property, it follows that x is equal to log 80 divided by log 8 subtract log 3 divided by log 8. Yeah. So let's proceed from here. Now we have x is equal to log 8 divided by log 8 subtract log 3 divided by log 8. Now we can express 80 as 16 multiplied by 5. And we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So we'll have x is equal to log 16 multiplied by 5 divided by log 8, which is log 2 to the power 3, subtract log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3. The next step here, log 16 times 5, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now applying this logarithm property, it follows that x is equal to, now this is log 16 divided by log 2 to the power 3 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power 3 subtract log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3. Now from here, we can express 16 as 2 to the power 4. Now substituting this, we'll have x is equal to log 2 to the power 4 divided by log 2 to the power 3 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power 3 subtract log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3. Now applying the power rule property here, you find that log 2 to the power 4 becomes 4 log 2 divided by, now log 2 to the power 3, this becomes 3 log 2 plus log 5 divided by, now log 2 to the power 3, this becomes 3 log 2 subtract log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3, which becomes 3 log 2. The next step here, let's simplify both sides here. That is log 2 divided by log 2 simplifies so that x is equal to 4 over 3 plus log 5 divided by 3 log 2 subtract log 3 divided by 3 log 2. Now let's proceed from here. Log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log A divided by log B, which you can express as log A to base B. Now applying this logarithm property, it follows that the value of x, this is equal to 4 over 3 plus a third log 5 to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2. All this divided by 3. That implies that x is equal to 4 over 3 plus a third log 5 to base 2 subtract a third log 3 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. So let's verify as follows. Now if you recall, we end that 8 to the power x plus 8 to the power x plus 8 to the power x, this is equal to 80. And given that 8 to the power x is common here, we factor out 8 to the power x, so that here is 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 80. So here we'll have 8 to the power x multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3. This is equal to 80. So let's divide both sides by 3. So that 8 to the power x, this is equal to 80 divided by 3. So in the next step, let's substitute the value of x here, so that we'll have 8 to the power x is 4 over 3 plus a third log 5 to base 2 subtract a third log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. 80 over 3. Now from here, we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. Substituting this, we'll have 2 to the power 3. Into the parentheses here, we have 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 to base 2 subtract 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2. Now this is equal to 80 over 3. This should give us a value of 80 divided by 3. Now let's simplify here. 3 and 3 here simplifies, so that we'll have 2 to the power 4 plus, now 3 and 3 here simplifies again, so plus log 5 to base 2 subtract, now let's simplify here again, subtract log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80 divided by 3. The next step here, you find that 2 to the power 4 plus log 5 to base 2 subtract log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of 8 to the power n subtract m, which we can express as 8 to the power n divided by 8 to the power m. Now applying this exponent property, we'll have 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power log 5 to base 2 divided by 2 to the power log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80 divided by 3. Now the next step here, 2 to the power 4, this is equal to 16. 2 to the power 4, this is equal to 16. Now here we have 16 multiplied by, now 2 to the power log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of m to the power log a to base m